Welcome to Advanced Calculations. Lesson 3, Session 3, Ashtakavarga, the point system. Discover the binary scoring system that assigns benefic points to every planet. Sign combination. A different way to measure strength. Shadbala is elegant but complex. The ancient rishis also gave us a simpler, more visual system, Ashtakavarga. The name means 8 divisions, referring to the 7 planets, Sun through Saturn, plus the ascendant, each contributing points. Here is the core idea. For each planet, we check all 12 signs and ask, is this sign a benefic position for this planet, considering the placement of every other planet and the ascendant? If yes, that sign gets 1 point, called a bindu. If not, it gets 0. Repeat for all 7 planets, and you get 7 individual Ashtakavarga charts, called Prashtara Ashtakavarga, each with scores from 0 to 8 for every sign. Building a Prashtara table. Let us walk through how one planet's Ashtakavargaya is built. Take the Sun's Ashtakavargaya. From the Sun's own position, certain houses are benefic, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 from Sun. If the Sun is in Leo, then Virgo, 2 kin from Sun, Scorpio 4th, etc., each get 1 point. From the Moon's position, different houses are benefic, 3, 6, 10, 11 from Moon. These signs get 1 point each. Repeat for Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and the Ascendant. Each has its own rules set from Parashara. Add up all the bindus for each sign, and you get the Sun's Prashtara Ashtakavarga, a row of 12 numbers, each between 0 and 8. A sign with 5 plus bindus is considered strong for the Sun. Below 4 is weak. Sarvashtakavarga, the grand total. Now take all 7 individual Prashtara tables and add them together, sign by sign. The result is the Sarvashtakavarga, SAV, a single table showing 12 numbers, 1 per sign, each between 0 and 56. The grand total across all 12 signs is always 337. This is a mathematical constant. Every chart in history sums to 337. If your calculation does not hit 337, something is wrong. Signs scoring 28 plus in SAV are considered strong transit zones. When a planet transits a high SAV sign, it tends to produce positive results. Signs below 25 are weak transit zones where planets struggle. Using Ashtakavarga for transit predictions. This is where Ashtakavarga really shines, transit analysis. When Saturn enters a new sign, look at that sign's score in Saturn's individual Ashtakavarga 5 to 8 bindus. Saturn's transit through this sign brings gains, stability, or positive structure. 4 bindus, neutral, mixed results. 0-3 bindus, difficult transit, delays, restrictions, health concerns. The same logic applies to Jupiter transits. The same logic applies to Jupiter transits, expansion or stagnation, Sun transits, recognition or obscurity, and so on. Combined with Bhavabala, this gives you a powerful predictive framework. Common patterns to watch. A few practical patterns that experienced astrologers look for. Jupiter's own Ashtakavarga in the sign it transits. 5 plus bindus during Jupiter's transit of your 9th or 11th house is a classic wealth and fortune signature. Saturn with 0-1 bindus in a sign. When Saturn transits that sign, expect a genuinely difficult 2.5-year stretch for the house matters involved. The ascendant sign's SAV score, a high SAV in your rising sign, 28 plus, indicates general vitality and a strong constitution. The 11th house, SAVE score. This strongly correlates with financial gains and income potential. Quick check. What is the constant grand total of the Sarvashtakavarga across all 12 signs? Is it A. 280, B. 31.2, C. 3037, D. 37? Take a moment to think. The answer is C. 3037. The Sarvashtakavarga always sums to exactly 337 across all 12 signs. This is a mathematical invariant. Every chart produces this total, and it serves as a built-in verification check. Session recap. Ashtakavarga assigns binary benefic malefic points from 8 sources, 7 planets plus ascendant across all 12 signs for each planet. Individual Prashtara tables show per planet strength, while the Sarvashtakavarga sums everything to a grand total of 337. Signs with high SAV scores are favorable transit zones, low scores warn of difficulty. Next session, we will explore the reduction techniques that refine these raw scores. Love this lesson? Visit astro.vedics.net/learn to continue the advanced calculations. Like, subscribe, and share.